No, police has already taken so many cases. They have registered so many cases. This is a continued process that the actions are being initiated before even the ordinance. Ordinance are being drafted. I think today, tomorrow it will be finalized and sent to governor. Once ordinance is sent, then actually whatever provisions are there, we will initiate actions accordingly.
Sir, some of the MLAs, even after the caution by the High Command of Congress, are making statement. Some Swamiji says that he should become CM, he should become CM, these kind of statements. A larger community is also demanding you to be the Chief Minister.
No,
so these kind of statements...
Honestly, I don't want to comment on that. All that High Command will definitely, look into that, and it is up to the High Command. I am not going to comment on that.
Some of the pro-Kannada organizations